having an amazing day. Today I'm going to take down all the Christmas decorations, see what I can declutter, and then organize everything in the boxes. So join me today as we take down Christmas. I'm gonna start by just taking everything off the tree, everything off the shelves, and just setting it down on the ground, and then I will organize it when it's all down so I can see the best way to put it into the bins. All the balls that I have on the tree are gonna go straight into this bin, and they're going back to my mom. I borrowed them this year. I don't think we're gonna maybe need them next year because we have quite a lot on our tree, but she wants them back. Decorated a little early, and I'm so happy we did because I feel like Christmas comes and goes really, really fast, and if we hadn't decorated early, this would have been a lot of work for just one day. Also, my husband will be excited because he's not that into Christmas decor, so he'll be happy to see it go. My mom also brought over candy canes to decorate, which is a really cool way to decorate as well. She keeps these year after year and stores them in her decor box. I am afraid of ants, so I'm giving these back to her. And of course, we have the decor that we made. So this is really fun. I'm gonna hold on to these. I have a blog post I can link down below on how to make these salt dough ornaments. It was a fun project, and I think we'll do more next year because they're free to make and they're really cute on our tree. Calvin's helping me take the ornaments off the tree. Thank you, that's such a big help. So what I'm doing is I'm just stacking them down here so I can go through them and wrap them up. And you've got all the ones to give back to Grandma.
I got a ball.
There's all our ornaments. That really doesn't take up much room once it's in the box. I'm gonna take all the wrapping stuff out of the box and then wrap these up and get them organized. Honestly, the ribbon alone looks pretty good on this tree. We could probably just have the ribbon and no other ornaments, but all those ornaments are just sentimental things that the kids have made and we've had forever, so that's why I like to put them up, because to me, Christmas is all about traditions. That was quick. Woo! Hooray, everything's off the tree. And the reason why I purchased lights instead of a pre-lit tree is because we got this tree new this year and I want it to last a really long time. And the reason why we got rid of our last tree is because the lights went out on it. It took about 10 minutes to get everything off the tree, so it really doesn't take that much time to take Christmas down. Putting it up takes a little bit longer. I'm trying to get this done as quick as possible, but also organize well for next year because the kids are home, like I mentioned before, and they want to be in here running around and I can't have them in everything. One storage tip I have is anytime I buy a new blanket or somebody else buys a new blanket, I always keep this plastic thing with the zipper that the blanket comes in, because I find these to be an excellent way to either store the blankets when I'm not using them or to store decor or items that I only use a few times a year. So I have this one I have kept with my blankets, and I'm going to put all the Christmas lights in here just to keep them all secure in one spot. These are really old plastic bags I've kept. I've just alternated a strand of lights in the bag, out of the bag, in the bag, out of the bag. So that way I can just keep them from getting all tangled up.
Enchanté.
This will keep them from getting tangled in everything. One thing I like to do when I'm packing things away is I try to keep them secure as possible. So I like to wrap them with used up tissue paper or old bags, stuff like that. I always just use what I already have around the house. There's always something. And then I like to pack things that are breakable along with soft things. So I feel like I can wedge things together. So if someone were to drop the box or jostle it, hopefully nothing would break in there. I'm also trying to keep like items together. So most of the tree stuff in one area and then most of my shelf items in the other box. I'm keeping this wreath up because it's real, so we'll just put that into the green bin when that finally dies. And then this candle is just something I keep out all the time. Another thing I do, I just wanted to share really quick, is each year when I get Christmas cards, especially ones from really close friends and family, and any cards that have pictures of my friends and family, I just punch some holes into the card and I simply tie it with some string that I have. And then this is a really fun way to look back through the years and see how much everyone has grown and changed. And I know a lot of people don't send Christmas cards much anymore, so I like to save the few that I get. Boxes so I know which ornaments go in which box. This says Hallmark, so all the Hallmark ones have a special little piece of bubble wrap that I wrap them back up in and just stick them in this big box. A few years ago I got rid of all the little boxes because I found that it was just too much work and really discouraged me from decorating when I had to take each individual ornament out of its box and then put it back in. This saves so much time. Here's my bag of wrapping. This is all the wrapping that I use, and I will link the video below where I talk about this. The one thing we decided to declutter this year are our Christmas cups. We just did not use these at all, so I'm going to donate these. This is all of our Christmas decor, and I'm pretty proud of that. Before we used to have probably 4 or 5 bins. Someone had asked me a comment, did we decorate outside? The only thing we did was we put some lights on our house, and next year this is our new house, so we have to figure out a better way. But I'm gonna put all of these outdoor lights in with the Christmas tree. I think that's one way to just cut down on another box that we have to add. Now it's time to clean and put this room back together. Using some of my Grove Collaborative all-purpose spray to wipe down this table. To find out more information about these all-natural cleaning supplies, you can click the link in my description box below, which includes a free gift with purchase. Just like that, the room is back to normal. A wonderful Christmas. Again, if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and you can see way more information on how I stay decluttered and organized over on my blog, shannontorrens.com. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.